Is it time to buy or sell LightPath Technologies stock? In this video, we're diving deep into LightPath Technologies. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of August in the year 2025, our system has ranked LightPath Technologies as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.54. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 97.87% since we first recommended purchasing LightPath Technologies 38 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.58% per day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend implies a potential change of 118.37% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 68.75% to 151.90%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 69.34%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 20.48% to 89.87% over the course of the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $5.17 and $12.34. Our latest daily update for LightPath Technologies includes the headline, "Is LightPath Technologies stock still a buy after falling 5.25% on Thursday?" The LightPath Technologies stock price dropped 5.25% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, moving from $6.86 to $6.50. During that day, the stock fluctuated 4.71%, with a low of $6.47 and a high of $6.78. The price has shown volatility during this period, yet there has been a gain of 22.64% over the past 2 weeks. The volume increased by 856,000 shares on the last day despite the decline in prices, which may signal an early warning and slightly heightened risk in the coming days. In total, 2 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $12.36 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.48, while the lowest was $1.29. Currently, the price sits 13.10%, or 98 cents, below the 52-week high of $7.48, which is also the all-time high for the stock. LightPath shares experienced a decline today following the announcement of a larger-than-expected loss for the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025. However, the report also showcased significant growth in backlog due to strong demand for its germanium-free optics. Management revealed new commercial orders, including a purchase order valued at $18,200,000 for calendar year 2026, and a follow-on order for $22,100,000 for calendar year 2027. These orders collectively boosted advanced infrared camera bookings to approximately $40,300,000. Additionally, production has commenced for G5 camera variants utilizing the company's proprietary black diamond glass. A senior photonics executive has been appointed to facilitate the company's transition from supplying individual components to providing complete systems, which aims to enhance program capture potential and improve margins. In the short term, the unexpectedly large loss and potential execution uncertainties may lead to stock volatility as investors adjust their expectations for earnings and cash flow. Looking ahead, consistent orders from defense and public safety sectors, along with vertical integration through G5 and the supply advantages of Black Diamond, could significantly enhance revenue visibility and gross margins. provided that deliveries stay on schedule and program wins expand. Nonetheless, execution risks and delivery timelines remain key concerns. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned LPTH a buy rating, along with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned LPTH a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright again assigned LPTH a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that Lake Street assigned LPTH a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned LPTH a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to LightPath Technologies stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is classified as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for LightPath Technologies. The LightPath Technologies stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there's a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, the overall indication for the stock leans towards a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.82. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock may find support from the long-term average at roughly $5.12. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from the pivot top point on Friday, the 19th of September, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 10.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer observation of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 50 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 39 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 39 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 85 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 82 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for LightPath Technologies. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.09 and $5.58. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support point. In this case, LightPath Technologies finds support just below today's level at $6.09. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.58 and $4.92. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. During the past day, the stock fluctuated by 305 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing 4.71%. Over the last week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 8.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for LightPath Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face difficult periods, often due to external factors. However, A pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 25th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LightPath Technologies. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for LightPath Technologies is at $6.69. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, LightPath Technologies faces its first support level at $6.09. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for LightPath Technologies from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 16th of June, 2025, when Ellis Thomas B. executed an insider purchase of 6,968 shares of restricted stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.18, which reflects a decrease of 4.86%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 4 days ago. Is LightPath Technologies stock a good buy? LightPath Technologies presents several negative signals, indicating it should be considered a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may also be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting the option to hold or accumulate while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 26th of September, we anticipate that LightPath Technologies will open higher by approximately 8 cents and begin trading at $6.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.